Today's video is going to be sponsored by Yolissa hair, and I'm going to be reviewing this 4x7 16-inch curly pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked unit. Now y'all know I love me a good glueless unit, baby, and it already got the ear tabs cut out for you. Y'all see that? Before we get into the unit, let's see what's inside the box. Duster bag, 2 caps, lashes, a comb because why not? Do those baby hair, a Yolissa headband. So because this unit is ready to go, I'm just gonna put her on out the pack and let's see what she's working with. Let me get into the construction of the unit. So it comes with an adjustable strap, and then the strap also has these like just rubber on the back to help it not slip and stay in place in the back. It comes with 2 combs on the side and a comb in the back. And if I didn't say it, it's a 3x7 lace. So I'm going to go ahead and spray something on that lace. So I'm just going to take a little bit of powder and put it right on that lace to kind of get her blended in. Okay, all I have, well, it's not all I have, but I want to see how it melts with just water. This is rose water, just rose water. I don't have any regular water near me right now, so this is what we're using. Oh, excuse me. But y'all see that? Water. I saw this on somebody else's TikTok and I was like, okay, next wig review, I'm gonna try it. Water. Just to give it a little extra melt, we're gonna use our Yolissa's headband. I'm gonna let this sit and I'll be back. Right, da da da. MS. What? Okay, so y'all know we gotta do the shake test. Alright, so she passed the shake test. Now let me show you how much parting it has. So you definitely can, you know, if you wanted to part it this way and do that. Look. This is definitely giving vacation vibes. See, it's not glued down. Anything like that. There's really no need for like baby hair or nothing like that. But yeah. Okay, so I'm at the salon and I'm just gonna show y'all how the hair looks with some foam wrap and with a different cut. Well, with the actual cut. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit just to give it a little oomph. Now y'all, this lace is like really lacing, okay? Now I'm gonna cut in here some. So you can very much wear it like this and be done. But I'm not really a big hair girl anymore. So I'm gonna put a little bit of foam wrap on here to, like, you know, tone it down a little bit. So this is a mixture of conditioner and water, and it's leave-in conditioner. So probably not gonna even do the foam wrap, just do the leave-in conditioner. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, girl. Yolissa! Yolissa! Oh, this is cute. My client want me to get this to her, but she ain't, because I'm keeping it. No. She like, let her buy this one. No. Absolutely not. Not gonna do too much with the part because I want to keep it looking like natural. You can comb it out, but I don't want that like straight flat look. But I'll show y'all what it looks like if you want to comb it out. Well, I guess it could get combed out too.
Me twice.
So then just gonna take those little pieces. This side look like it's a little longer. Now when you cutting curly hair, you really shouldn't pull it. You should really just cut. So don't do what I'm doing. listen, this is, first of all, I don't even think I got into the fit of the wig. So they do have like a little section right here where like the ear tabs, it's like cut out. So that is a great thing because we all know when you put it on that round cap, it just don't fit over your ears right. And if you push it back, it allows the wig to not be on your head. So that is a great plus. And if you want to get fancy, you can very much do like a lot of stuff. I'm wearing it as glueless, but you can definitely glue it down and do all kind of stuff. But this is great for me. Like I don't feel like I need to do anything else to it besides what I've done. So make sure you guys check out Yolissa hair. Tell them Keisha sent you. I have links and everything in the description box below. I'll also have a coupon code for you guys to get some money off of your first purchase. And let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to get notified, and I'll see you again for the next video.